Welcome back to Explorer 5 Bro. It's been so many years, by the way, we didn't meet on this channel. So currently I'm living my kind of slow life in Kerala, and today I just felt while cooking to vlog. I used to vlog, I used to upload something on Instagram, but I never uploaded the things on YouTube again. So today I just thought let's start to share some glimpses of cooking food with you. So this is the outside of my home, like you can say the backyard. This is my kitchen in Kerala. So generally in Kerala there are two kitchens. One is main kitchen and another is a secondary kitchen, which is for the chulla. Now I have to just take this and rinse the water. So this is the charni. And the rice will go like this. And then I will take it into the plate. Aloo Bhindi fry. I'm making chapatis, so it's the chapati that I'm making. So अभी मेरा खाना रेडी हो चुका है. अभी मैंने चपाती, आलू भिंडी का सब्जी और अम्मा ने मुझे फ़िश करीज दिए और केरला स्टाइल राइस बनाया अपन ने. सो नाउ आई विल एंजॉय माय फूड. मैंने चपाती, फिश करी बाय अम्मा, राइस केरला स्टाइल, आलू भिंडी बाय अपना स्टाइल, एंड देयर इज अनदर फिश करी. सो इट्स टाइम टू ईट नाउ. लेट्स एंजॉय द फूड. फर्स्ट बाइट. मसाला आलू भिंडी इज लाइक वेरी टेस्टी. क्योंकि खाना हम खुद से बनाते हैं तो यू फील इट मोर टेस्टी. बाय द वे इट्स वेरी टेस्टी. दिस इज द फिश करी, टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फिश करी. घ्यायचा मस्त थोडासा इकडचा रस्सा घ्यायचा आणि मोर टेस्ट. Very tasty. Machi. Kachi muchi. No tension about the kate and all. You are in Kerala, just eat fishes. Currently I'm living in Kerala and just enjoying the slow life. I cook my food. I practice everything which I like. I do my work online. And I live in this beautiful God's own country. This is how the surrounding here always. लिए बस इतना ही रखते हैं. See you again and welcome back to Explorer 5 Bro. And do let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me. Bye bye. Enjoy your day and hope to see you again on this channel. Adios. Bye bye. Explore.